Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very short video as to what I'm doing right now with my Nissan Hardbody D21 pickup truck. As to what I'm doing right now with it, first I want to fix the motor completely, make sure that everything's running in tip-top shape before I can start tackling all the body work and everything. Right now I removed the carburetor. It was filled with a bunch of carbon, so I just wanted to fix it up, clean it up, make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be. Right here, as you can see, I'm cleaning everything up. I dismantled everything. I did use this carburetor parts cleaner, which has worked fabulously. Everything was filled up with carbon everywhere, and it's looking real nice right now. Right here we got some other parts that were cleaned so that we can have this truck running in tip-top shape. This box is one of the fenders from the left hand side. It's brand new. I am gonna buy another fender, a new hood. So we're also gonna be getting a new bumper. This one's all beat up, a new grill, some new lights, everything. We're gonna fix this little truck for shows. It's gonna be a show truck. So if you guys wanna stay posted as to what's coming up with this build, I'm also gonna get the paint already. If you guys wanna guess as to what color I'm going with this little truck, leave it in the comments below. Tell me what color do you think I'm going with this truck. I already picked the color, but I want to know if you guys can guess it. It's coming. I'll give you another update on Saturday showing you the color. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So like I said, guys, if you guys want to keep in tune as to the build of this Nissan Hardbody pickup truck, just subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and don't miss any of this build. I am going to show you how to lower this truck. I am going to show you the body work, everything's going to come apart, doors are going to come apart. It's going to be a real nice build for this lowrider truck, guys. So these little trucks, they were real popular back in the early 90s and late 80s. So they're coming back. They're a little expensive though for these little trucks, but they're a workhorse. These motors are, man, you can beat them, drive them, and just work this motor to the bone, and this motor's still gonna keep on going. So I'm gonna show you also coming up. I'm gonna be changing the valve seals on this truck, so I'm gonna show you that. But let's just continue with this build and some other ones that are coming up. All right, thank you guys. A real short video as to what's going on here in Faraway. So just that'll be it. Thank you. Stay safe. I'll see you this coming weekend. Like always, God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I pave my own way. Hard work, every stroke till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from gray. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray.